Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel or welcome to my channel. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. It's free and it'll help me out a lot. So hit that subscribe button. Today we're going to be making some resin snowflake ornaments, so let's jump in and get started. Here I have some clear resin mixed with some Stiletto glitter from Laura's Art Corner. I'll link it down below. It's a super gorgeous, sparkly, iridescent blue fine glitter. So I just had about a half ounce of resin in this little cup mixed in my glitter, and I'm just pouring that into the little points or tips of each of my snowflakes here. And I did make these molds myself off of a snowflake, a resin snowflake that I had made previously. If you want to see how I do that, let me know and I can make a tutorial for you guys showing you how to make these molds. And today I'm using the Liquid Diamonds resin. It's great for projects like this because it's crystal clear and it has hardly any bubbles, which is nice. I did mix up my resin off camera, but if you're new to resin and you want to see a tutorial showing step by step how I mix my resin, I'll link one of my tutorials down below in the description box. Definitely check out that video. I show you step by step how to mix your resin. So on this one here on the top right, you can see I did a little oopsie. I forgot to add glitter to that one point on the snowflake over here, but don't worry, I do go back and fix it. Thankfully, I realized it before I stopped pouring and I was like, oh my gosh, I forgot to add glitter. So now I'm going to go in with some light blue tinted resin and just carefully pour right in the center of the mold and fill the molds up the rest of the way. You don't want to overfill these. So just add a little bit of resin, and then if you need to add more, you can always go in and do that. If you overfill this mold, it is kind of tricky to clean it up because it is such a detailed mold. It's got a lot of really small grooves. So if you go in with some nippers and try to clean up any overspill, sometimes the tips of the snowflake can break off. I've had that happen before. So I just try to take my time, add a little bit of resin, let it kind of level out, and then add more if I need to, because you don't want to overfill this mold. And here I do realize, oh, I forgot to add glitter. So I'm just scraping out a little bit of glitter that I had left in my little cup, and I am adding it right here to this point of this snowflake here. And I get these little spouted cups from Let's Resin. They're great for pouring. I'll link them down below. You can get a really nice controlled pour with them. They are smaller, so if you need a big spouted pouring cup, these won't be the best, but they're great for projects like this. I let them dry overnight. Here we are ready to take them out of the mold. I just love how these turned out. They're so sparkly and beautiful. They just look like a crystal snowflake, absolutely gorgeous. And you can see on the right hand side, there is a little hole. So you can attach some twine, some ribbon. You could even do like fishing line and attach some really pretty beads on there to hang these up. These are, Christmas ornaments or ornaments for your tree, but I think they would be really pretty like hanging in a window even, because they are faceted and they do look like crystals. They throw a lot of really pretty rainbows as well. But let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comments, and I'll link all the materials I used down below in the description box along with any coupon codes that I have. So if you guys want to get any of these products to try, you'll get a little bit of extra savings. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Naptime Creations. It's free and it'll help me out a lot. When I hit 100,000 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a really huge giveaway, so don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss that video. That's going to be coming up soon. But let me know what you guys think of these. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know if you want to see how I made these molds. Just drop me a comment down below. I appreciate you guys so much. I hope you're all doing fabulous, and I will see you all soon for another video. Bye, guys.